Kingston's Mayor Delroy Williams has thrown his support behind a suggestion that the National Athletics Trials should be twinned with a full experience of the city. Karen Madden spoke with Mayor Williams for part 2 of a TVJ sports feature on sports tourism and Kingston.
Even as Jamaica celebrates its 60th year as an independent nation and Kingston its 150th year as the capital city, the country's junior and senior athletes are fine-tuning their preparations for the national championships. With Jamaica ranked at number 3 in international track and field, making the country's national team can be an extreme sport, and 4 days of pulsating action is expected. In part 1 of our feature, sports marketer Carol Beckford argued that the event should be marketed, encouraging fans to experience all that Kingston has to offer. The city's mayor told TVJ Sports that view is in line with the municipality's vision.
A major sector within the city would be sports, entertainment. Those are 2 major areas. They fit into Kingston as a cultural city. And so the national trials is one event within the city that you could do a lot with. That if you take some time and put thought into it, and you could brand it in such a way that you create a Kingston experience.
And he cited some of what the city has to offer to track and field fans.
Could have various entertainment forms, different types of entertainment. You could have different types of tours within the city, and all of that would be in the marketing and the promotion of the national trials.
Mayor Williams conceded that it would require a multi-agency approach for the concept to be feasible, and while the championships are mere weeks away, pledged to do what he can to jumpstart the effort.
These are experiences that are already taking place in terms of tours, already taking place, entertainment events that could easily be put together and tied, but not major entertainment events, but entertainment events that you could put together quickly, and good events that speak to our culture and who we are. And so we are looking at that and see how quickly we could do that as a start. And then over the next few years, you build out this idea of tying the Kingston experience to the national trials.
And while supporting the concept of sports tourism, Director of Tourism Donovan White wants multiple events to be marketed.
So that you're not just marketing one event or one day of an event, you're marketing a calendar of sporting activities in Jamaica in an ecosystem that allows people to see that while you're here, you can enjoy all the other benefits, the food, the Devon House, the Bob Marley museums, the hike in the Blue Mountains, the Duns River Fall, the chopper experiences, and all the other things that adds to the allure of bringing people to our destination.
The National Senior and Junior Championships are scheduled for June 23 to 26 at the National Stadium. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.